What's up, guys? It's a beautiful day, as you can see behind me. Um, but I wanted to talk about men do start at 30. Jesus started at 30, his ministry, earthly ministry, at 30 years old. Um, David started his kingship at 30 years old. Uh, Saul started being king at 30 years old. Joseph started with whereas his high position at 30 years old. Um, you can't even become a priest until priesthood starts at 30 years old, and back then it did too. I don't know if it still does, actually. I could look that up, but basically 30 years old is the number. Also, there's this thing called the cosmic clock that Elliot Holst talks about, and it's like it talks about how at 20, at 30, that's like the perfect time to, I don't know, you go through seasons, right? And I believe in seasons, and there's seasons to it. 30 is just when most men start, or when men start. If we think about Jesus, who do we want to be after Jesus? Why? He's the most, he could have gained knowledge when he was 12 and then started preaching at 12 years old, but he didn't. He started his earthly ministry at 30. He was just asked, probably being prepared until then, and then King David as well. But yeah, guys, it's not. If society puts us in this box, you have to figure out your life, in your early 20s or whatever. And it's who says that? That's society. Do we want to listen to society, or do we want to see the biblical examples? It's men start at 30. I really believe that. Even my brother Christian, he started making his big money by himself at 30 years old. Our neighbor down the street, that has a bounce house business. He started he kind of started started at 27, and then but now it's coming to fruition, and he has it all down at 30. 30 again. Even my my friend, other friend, he started supervising position at 31 years old. Shortly after he became 31 or whatever, and he became supervisor, which is pretty big deal, in that. So it's yeah, it's just like I said, men are later than women. What are we valued for? We're valued for different things than women. So anyways, that's the vid.